This is going to be a very quick video. I've got a Mondeo on the ramp for repair. As you turn the steering, the spring was making an awful clunking noise, and also when you're driving, making a clunking noise. And this is the problem. You can see the bearings are totally shot in the top, so just strip this one out. We're going to get a new one back on, and hopefully everything will be back as it should. Well, as you can see, this is the bearing that we've removed, totally shot. We compressed the spring, took the top nut off, and this is what we found. And this is the source of our problem. Replace it with a genuine Ford bearing to go back on, put the top nut back on, and refit it to the vehicle. Everything is now fine.